Ready for a window upgrade? Here's why hiring a local contractor is a smart choice. When it comes to replacing your windows, local contractors bring a lot to the table. First up, personalized service. Local pros know you by name and treat your home like it's their own. You'll get customized solutions, not one-size-fits-all fixes. Next, they understand your local building codes and weather conditions. This means they'll choose the right materials and techniques to make your windows last. Say goodbye to drafts and leaks. Plus, local contractors can respond faster. Got a problem? They'll be there in a flash to fix it, saving you time and stress. Hiring local also supports your community. Your money stays in the neighborhood, helping other local businesses thrive. It's a win-win for everyone, so why wait? Hire a local window replacement contractor today and enjoy the benefits: personalized service, expert knowledge, quick responses, and community support. Your home and neighborhood will thank you. Text, overlay, hire local. Enjoy the benefits. Call to action. Visit our website to find trusted local window replacement contractors near you.